Hi everybody, my name is William Kenneth Hartono and today I'm going to be explaining about arrays. So basically array is used to store a collection of data, but it is more often useful to think of an array as a collection of variables of the same type. So in this example I will be using arrays to do one of our homework problems, which is to subtract color from a picture. So basically the method is this, which its name is subtract color, and it has three parameters, which is int red, int green, and int blue. So basically these parameters will determine how much red, green, and blue color of our picture will be deducted. So this is the array, and we will call this all of this pixel array, in which this .getPixel means that this will be picked from our picture we pick later on. GetPixels means it will collect all the pixels of the picture. So from 00 to, for example, 100 something. So this will get all the pixels from the picture. And then we'll be using a for loop in which our pixel array will be taken from the pixel object, which is the picture we will select later on. And here are just a set of codes in which we will be deducting the amount of red, green, and blue from our picture. So basically the first three lines here are used to get red, so get all the red pixels from the picture, and then the new value will be the original value minus the red value we will pick. So this set red value will be the new value of the original picture deducted by the integer we put in. So this goes the same with green and as well as blue. So in here, when we call it, this is used to pick the picture, and here, so I deducted red by 1, green by 1, and green by 100 and blue by 100. So when I compile this and run this, so you can see this is the original picture and this is the after picture. So I deducted red by 1, green by 100, and blue by 100. So the red does not disappear from the picture. So what if we change this to 100 and 1 and 1? So when I compile this, the red would be deducted much more from to the original picture. So as you can see, the red here and the red here has been deducted by 100, but the green and the blue stays almost the same because it's only deducted by 1. So that will be it for arrays. Thank you.